Hi everyone, welcome to the online mathematics class. In the previous class, we are already completed the exercise 3.3. In the exercise 3.3, you are mainly seen the regarding problems about the double bar graph, and in the double bar graph, these are somewhat lengthy questions, and we already solved the exercise 3.3. And coming to the further, and let us continue the exercise 3.4. Exercise 3.4 is the last exercise in the data handling. You can see let us see the first question. Tell whether the following is certain to happen. Tell whether the following is certain to happen and impossible and can happen but not certain. Can happen but not certain. What is the question? Tell whether the following is certain to happen, impossible, can happen but not certain. They given the sentence, we should tell the certain to happen or impossible or can happen but not certain. You should say the answer regarding the given sentences. Look at the first question, sub question. You are older than yesterday. You are older than yesterday. What is the question? What is the answer? Since we are older than yesterday. It is universal truth. Yesterday. Since we are older than yesterday, it is a universal truth. Yesterday, compared to yesterday, today we are old. What is the answer? Since we are older than yesterday. What is the answer? Certain to happen. Certain to happen. We should use the words that is a certain to happen. And coming to the second one, a tossed coin will land heads up. What is the second one? A tossed coin will land heads up. Already you know that the coin contains the head and the tail, and coin contains head and the tail If you toss the coin, we may get the head or the tail. If you toss the coin, we may get the head or the tail. What is the answer? Certain to. What is the answer? Can happen but not certain. Can happen but not certain. You may get the head or the tail. Can happen but not certain. What is the question? Look at the once again. A toss or coin will land heads up, and already you know that the coin contains the head and the tail. What is the answer? Can happen but not the certain. We may get the head or the tail. When we toss the coin, we may get the head or the tail. And look at the third question. A die. Look at the third question. A die when tossed shall land up with 8 on top. A die when tossed shall land up with 8 on top. Already you saw the die. It contains the 6 numbers 1, 2, and backside 3, 4, and 5, and the other we get the 6 here. Total number die contains the 6. A die contains the 6. Die contains the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. A die contains the 6 numbers, and 8 will not get in the die. It is the impossible. It is the impossible. Should the word is the impossible. Should use the word is the impossible. The die contains the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 numbers, but 8. What is the question? A die when tossed shall land up with 8 on top. But only die contains the only 6 digit numbers. A die does not have the 8 number. That is the impossible. Coming to the fourth one, the next traffic light seen will be green. Already you may went in the city. If you are in the traffic, first if the green light, after you will get the red. If the first you can get the red light, next you will get the green light. If there is a green light, green, next we will get red. If there is a red light, next we will get the green light. Then what is the answer? Can happen but not certain. 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 And coming to the last one, tomorrow will be cloudy day. Tomorrow will be cloudy day. And you don't know tomorrow cloudy day or it a sunny day or a raining day. You don't know. What is that? We don't know that. We don't know. We don't know that. Tomorrow may be sunny or cloudy or raining We don't know. Tomorrow we may continue, we may get the rain, or tomorrow we may get the cloudy, or tomorrow it may be sunshine. And what is the answer? Answer is can happen, but not certain. Can happen but not certain. Can happen but not certain. Already we started the exercise 3.4. In the first question, already you seen the 5 problems. In the next class, we will continue the second problem. Thank you.